In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitors' backlinks in Semrush. This process will give you valuable insights into your competitors' link building strategies and might help you discover new opportunities to boost your own website's SEO performance. So, let's dive right in and start with the first step. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Semrush. Semrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that many marketers and SEO professionals use to gain an edge over their competitors. If you already have a Semrush account, go ahead and log in. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up to access their features, including the backlink analytics tool that we'll be focusing on today. Once you've successfully logged into Semrush, navigate to the SEO section. This is where you'll find a variety of tools designed to enhance your search engine optimization efforts. From there, select Backlink Analytics. This feature of Semrush provides an in-depth look at backlinks, which are external hyperlinks from other internet sites leading to your competitor's webpage. With Backlink Analytics open, you'll want to input the domain of your competitor's website into the search bar. It's critical that you know which competitors you're benchmarking against to gather the most relevant data. After entering the domain, click on Analyze. Semrush will then compile and present a comprehensive list of all the backlinks pointing to your competitor's site. This list includes detailed information like the source URL, target URL, and the type of link such as do follow or no follow. Additionally, Semrush will display a list of referring domains. These are essentially the websites that provide backlinks to your competitor's domain. By examining these sources, you can gain insights into which websites are contributing to your competitor's SEO strength. Another crucial aspect of this analysis is the Competitors tab. Here, Semrush identifies other websites that share the same referring domains with your competitor's site. This information might help reveal new link-building opportunities that you hadn't considered. To make your analysis more targeted, Semrush offers a range of filters that allow you to refine the backlink data further. You can sort and filter based on link type, anchor text, or specific referring domains. This functionality is useful if you're looking for particular types of backlinks, or if you want to focus on high-quality links that offer the most SEO value. By following these steps, you can effectively harness Semrush to uncover your competitors' backlink strategies and use this knowledge to enhance your own online presence. As always, understanding your competition is key to staying one step ahead in the competitive world of SEO. Thank you for watching this guide on finding competitors' backlinks in Semrush. Happy analyzing!